a little after 1980, I determined we should get the 611 back out running again, and we sent her to Birmingham, Alabama, to the Southern Railway Steam Shop in 1981, where they found they could rebuild her. It was done, and she's now better than new.
In October 1981, Engine 611, the last surviving J, is pulled from the Roanoke Transportation Museum, her rebirth, to begin 40 years almost to the day after the completion of the first J-class locomotive, number 600. In the Southern Railway shops at Birmingham, Alabama, the only remaining full-time steam facility in the United States, 611's 16-foot high outer shell will be removed. The entire 109-foot length of engine and tender will be virtually disassembled, and every inch of every bearing, water pump, stay bolt, axle, and flue sheet inspected before repairs can begin. First, the cab, flues, and remaining jacketing must be removed to expose the 8 1/2 foot wide boiler and determine if it is serviceable. Special care is exercised with the jacketing, which has been welded, not riveted, to enhance the streamlined look of the J's. Worn parts are inspected and are sent to be remachined or repaired. Others, like this water pump, are too badly damaged and must be replaced. The shops at Roanoke will forge some new replacement parts. More will come from warehouses and museums. With repairs to the boiler and flue sheets completed, replacement flues can be installed, along with the rebuilt Type E superheaters. 611's long-stilled drivers, engineered for speeds up to 140 miles an hour, are removed and sent to be machined. Skilled workmen will ensure that she is rebuilt to the same exacting specifications that governed her building in the shops at Roanoke. With her roller-bearing axles back in place, she is now ready to be rolled out and steam tested, her boiler working at a full 300 pounds of pressure. Now, final assembly begins. 611 is given a new, lustrous black coat, and her signature, the Tuscan red stripe, is brought back to life.
N&W Class J number 611 had 13 sisters, and together they were the finest fleet of passenger reciprocating steam engines in the world. And 611, the only surviving member of that family, is the finest steam passenger engine which exists today. And I'm real happy that the 611 is back running where she belongs.